The chewy, nutty, and distinctive flavor of a Brazil nut is hard to beat, especially considering how good it is for you. This once humble nut native to South America is on the radar of fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious A-listers. 1. Lower cholesterol. Not all fats are bad for your heart. Brazil nuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids, palmitoleic acid, and oleic acid, also known as good cholesterol, which are great for your heart. They play an important role in reducing the amount of omega-6 fatty acids in the body that cause cardiovascular disease. By balancing cholesterol levels, Brazil nuts may help reduce heart attacks and strokes. In addition, the flavonoids, phenols, tocopherol, squalene, and phytosterols found in these nuts have antioxidant properties that help reduce the risk of developing atherosclerosis. On the flip side, due to their high content of saturated fats, Brazil nuts must be taken in minimal numbers. 2. Fight cancer. The same antioxidants in Brazil nuts that help prevent atherosclerosis are beneficial in preventing certain cancers. A study from Cornell University and the University of Arizona demonstrated that those test subjects who took 200 micrograms of selenium, which Brazil nuts are packed with, every day for at least 10 years showed a significant reduction, as much as 41%, in cancer rates compared to those who did not. 3. Protect your skin. The selenium present in Brazil nuts is great for your skin. It gives your skin a glow and improved elasticity. As an antioxidant, selenium prevents premature aging and gives you younger-looking skin. In addition, the high zinc content present in this nut helps to prevent and eliminate acne. 4. Promote bone and dental health. Thanks to their copper and phosphorus content, Brazil nuts can also help maintain bone and dental health. 5. Treat Alzheimer's. Selenium to the rescue, yet again. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of selenium can prevent the development of Alzheimer's disease. The nuts additionally include lecithin, a fatty substance that complements the awareness of neurotransmitters answerable for brain function. Eat just 6 to 8 nuts a day. While Brazil nuts are great for health, having too many of them can be counterproductive. They are high in saturated fats, and a single serving can give you as much as 21% of the RDA, that is, 200 calories to your day.